Ang araw nito ay araw mo, pagdating mo sa ating mundo. Natatandaan, di malilimutan. I wish you a happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, hey. Yan, from Canada with love. Happy 14th birthday, my friend. Charot. Happy 40th birthday, April. Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Dati, 'di ba? Magkakasama lang tayo sa UST, pero ngayon may kanya-kanyang buhay na tayo. But you know what? Good thing about our friendship is kahit hindi tayo magkasama at nagkikita, nag-uusap lagi. Alam mo yan, nandun yung ating love, yung care sa isa't isa. You know, yun yung kagandahan sa friendship natin eh. Alam mo yon, parang stars, nandyan lang siya, nasa tabi lang. Pero kahit hindi natin physically kasama yung isa't isa, I know na nandyan tayo para sa isa't isa. And thank you for that. I'm blessed to have you as my friend. You're a blessing to us. You're a blessing to your family, to your husband, to your son. And alam mo yon, wish ko matupad lahat ng wish mo, lahat ng happiness in life, good health, of course. And of course, gusto ko rin kayong i-congrats dahil finally nakuha nyo na yung green card nyo. So, congratulations, 'di ba? Worry-free na. And nung nakaraan lang pinag-uusapan natin yun, nasa Pinas pa ako. Hanggang sa nakarating ako dito na, alam mo yon, hindi siya madali, but I know in God's perfect time, ibibigay niya. And dahil, you know, binibigay ni Lord yon sa mga talagang deserve. And deserve mo yon, 'di ba? Deserve. So, yan. We miss you guys. And hopefully, magkasama-sama tayo ulit.
Happy birthday. I miss you. Ayaw ko umiyak. Pero I really miss you. Thank you kasi kahit malayo kayo, pag kailangan kita, kailangan ko kayo, matawag ka, kinakausap mo ko. Thank you talaga. My God! 40 na tayo. Huwag ka mag-alala, hindi halata. Tsaka maganda ka pa rin. Ang sexy mo. Happy birthday. I love you, Bessie. God bless you. Miss you.
Bes! Happy birthday! Happy 40th birthday. Oh my gosh, 40 na tayo. But I'm happy that we've reached this milestone. And me, personally, I'm happy for you. For where you are right now, dyan sa US. Kasama mo yung family mo. I'm so happy for you. And, oh my gosh, to be honest, I stopped counting. Gano'n na tayo katagal magkaibigan. Because I always believe that our friendship will last this lifetime, Bessie. And I am happy that, and I am grateful that you are part of my life. And happy birthday. Naalala mo ba nung PLM days tayo? Grabe, no? Ang problema lang natin nung thesis. Pero problema lang natin nun, paano natin mararaos yung isang araw. And then, look where we are now. Ikaw, nandiyan ka na sa US. Sometimes, pag naiisip ko yon, it just put a smile on my face na sa ganong katagal na pagkakataon, I have a friend like you na talagang kayo ni Grace na anytime I can count on. And pasensya ka na kung di rin ako lagi masyado nagme-message. Alam mo na, busy ang lola mo. But siguro ang wish ko rin, especially for the two of us, ating magkaibigan na soon sana makapag-celebrate tayo ng birthday together. Sana either here sa Canada or dyan sa US. And I know God will grant that para sa ating dalawa. And I wish you all the best. And My wish for you is kung ano man yung desire ng puso mo. And I'm sure you have all the good things in your heart because you have a very pure heart, bes. Sa ating tatlo, ikaw ang pinakamabait, alam mo yan. Kaya nga sa'yo, ikaw yung maraming friends. Kami ni Grace saktuhan lang. So, ayun, bes. I love you so much. And, yun lang. I'm happy na 40 na tayo even though nararamdaman ko na siya. Nararamdaman ko na sa mga body pains. And hindi ko alam sa'yo kung ganun ka rin. But, I wish you good health, of course. And, whatever is your desire for your family, of course, syempre, yun din ang wish ko. Yun lang, best. I love you so much. And I will see you soon. I promise that. We will see each other soon. I love you.
Hi, sister! Happy birthday! Saan na tayo magse-celebrate? Nakakamiss mga celebrations natin dito, no? But I hope you'll have a wonderful and blessed birthday together with your family. And syempre, looking forward pa rin ako sa reunion or sana magkita-kita pa rin tayo soon. And for now, you guys enjoy your special day and may mag-greet pa pala sa'yo. What will you say?
Happy birthday to Ian! We miss you, Maverick!
Ayan, mga playmates ni Maverick. Regards to Ernest and Maverick. Enjoy, guys. Happy birthday. Big 40 ka na, sis. Alam mo yan. We love you and we miss you. Bye!
Hello, Cici! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Yes, actually birthday din na ngayon ni Toby and ayan, para double celebration. Happy birthday, Cici. Sabi ni Tin, very quick lang, pero ang dami kong gustong sabihin sa'yo. I love you so much, Cici. Happy birthday. Magkalayo man tayo, pero lagi kong pinagpipray, dumating yung araw na mag-reunite tayo. I miss those days na lagi kitang kasama. And araw-araw, Cici, hindi ka nawawala sa isip ko. I love you. Thank you for the friendship. Isa ka talaga sa mga tunay na kaibigan ko. Kahit magkalayo, Cici, alam ko, ramdam ko yung presensya mo. Maraming salamat and happy birthday. Thank you for everything, Cici. I love you. Arigato gozaimasu. Nandito kami sa Japan. Thank you and happy birthday. Thank you for everything. I love you.
April, happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. And as what they said, life starts at 40. So I wish that you will live life to the fullest with your beautiful little family with Ernest and Maverick. And always remember that I'm here for you. Always remember that you are one of the closest friends I have, and I treasure our friendship. And yeah, I just wish all the best for you, more success and good health. And happy birthday again. See you in LA soon.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tita April!
Happy birthday, Ate April. So, it's been more than a decade na ba na magkaibigan tayo, and until now, sabi ko nga sa'yo last time, you're truly a heaven sent from a God. Binigyan niya ako ng isang soul sister, ng sister from another mother. Ayan. So, thank you for all your love, for your help, and syempre, support, and everything in between. So, maybe malayo ka nga, but still, isa ka sa mga constant ko talaga na one call away, kahit magkaiba yung time frame natin na gabi dito, umaga dyan, ayan. But still, yun nga, thank you for being always there sa akin. And syempre, sa amin ni Andrea, thank you, ate. So, super thankful din ako to your family, especially syempre kay Kuya Ernest and kay Maverick. I miss you guys. Ayan, thank you for always making me feel that I'm part of your family. Ayan, sobrang saya ko na kasama ko kayo sa journey ko last time when I go there. And hopefully, soon, makapunta ulit kami siya. Syempre, together with Andrea na.
Yay!
So, again, ate, for this day, on your birthday, I'm wishing you more happiness, syempre good health,
para mas ma-enjoy mo pa yung maraming blessings na ibibigay sa'yo ni Lord and of course sa family mo. So, deserve na deserve nyo yan guys, and lagi kayong mag-iingat, lagi kayo nasa prayers namin, and just enjoy your day ate, and hope to see you soon. We love you!
Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Oh, April, we heard that you're turning 40.
Dad,
What?
it's 40.
40. 40. Hindi ko pa rin alam yung British accent na yan. Anyway, we wish you all the best. And alam mo naman kung gaano kalalim ang ating samahan. Miski hindi tayo masyadong nakapag-catch up. Well, solid pa rin tayo. Enjoy your 40th birthday. Ay, magsalita naman kayo.
Miss na namin yung mga sessions nating inuman, tsaka yung mga double dates. Sana soon maulit natin yun, no?
Yes.
We miss you po. I hope.
Miss you po. Alright, see you. Enjoy being a mother, a wife, and take care of your 2 boys.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. 2 boys pa lang magta-take care sa'yo. Okay, enjoy your 40th birthday.
Happy birthday, Mare!
We hope to see you soon.
We miss you. Galangs, we love you.
Hi Parts! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay dapat lagi kang healthy, lagi kang masaya, at maraming blessings para sa inyo na Ernest at sa family mo, which is nangyayari na ngayon. No? I'm very happy sa lahat ng blessings na nakukuha nyo, lalo na dyan sa Amerika, kasi alam kong marami kayong matutulungan pa. Parts, isa ka sa pinaka loyal, matulungin, maaasahang kaibigan, kaopisina na kakilala ko. Ikaw yung taong malayo pa lang ramdam mo na yung positive energy, at sana huwag kang magbago. Alam mo, sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na pinagdaanan mo, bilib din ako sa'yo, kasi tingnan mo naman kung nasaan ka na ngayon, kayo na Ernest, no? Kaya patuloy ko kayong pagdadasal. I'm wishing all the best for you and for your family, at ang aking dalangin ay mas lalo ka pang yumaman, yes, mas lalo ka pang gumanda, yes, at mas lalo ka pang sumaya. Alright, I hope to see you. Happy birthday!
Hey, Te. Happy 40th birthday to you. So, wishing you all the best. Good health and more wealth. And so happy for you. So proud of you sa lahat ng mga achievements mo. And thank you for the friendship. Since 2012, nung naging kaibigan kita up to now na 2026 na. I hope we'll be part of each other's lives hanggang sa maging matanda na tayo, hanggang magkaroon na ng mga apo ang mga anak natin. So I wish you all the best. I hope to see you again soon. Happy birthday, Te.
Hi Ate April, happy birthday. Enjoy your day as you celebrate your 40th birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Thank you at nakilala kita, lahat ng pangaral, sa lahat ng pag-share ng mga blessings sa amin. I wish na i-bless ka pa ni Lord ng mga kaganapan sa buhay. I-bless ni Lord ang inyong family with Kuya Ernest and Maverick. Bigyan ka ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at magandang pangangatawan para ma-enjoy ang paglaki ni Maverick at makasama ni Kuya Ernest habang buhay. I love you. I miss you. And have a good day. Enjoy your day. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi sis, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and all the happiness in the world because you deserve nothing less. And miss na kita. Miss ko na yung mga biglaan nating chikahan over coffee o yung mga bigla kong pagpunta sa bahay nyo at pangangatok at makikikain. Sis, na miss na kita. Alam ko na malayo ka man dito sa amin ngayon. Alam ko maligaya ka kung nasaan ka. dahil kasama mo si Maverick and si Ernest. At alam ko marami na rin nagmamahal sa'yo dyan dahil kahit saang bahagi ka pa ng mundo mapunta, madali kang mahalin at malamang marami ka ng kaibigan dyan dahil napakabuti mong tao. Enjoy your birthday and pagbalik mo, mag-celebrate tayo. I love you, sis.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
April!
April.
Surprise!
Surprise.
Happy 40th. Welcome to the club. Yeah, hope you get spoiled, which I think you will be. You'll be spoiled by Maverick, Kuya
Thank you,
Ernest,
Ernest.
and your friends there. And yeah, we just wish you always the best and congratulations on your new status in your in your stay there in America.
Mhm.
All right. And thank you for being who you are, for being a good mother to Maverick, for
Mhm.
being a great wife to Kuya Ernest, for being a good friend, and for being a good sister-in-law. We cannot ask for more. So we wish you all the best
All
again.
the best. Happy
Take care.
birthday.
Happy birthday. We love you. See you soon here in
See you.
Malvern.
Kumusta?
Bye-bye.
Gusto ko lang bumati ng happy 40th birthday. So, welcome to the club. Ang wish ko sa iyo in your 40th birthday, number one, more joy and happiness. Second, peace of mind. Pinaka-importante yon. And pangatlo, stay healthy. I know you're going to the gym frequently. Just continue it for your loved ones and for the future so you can take care of them. And gusto ko lang mag-thank you for being one of a rare cousin and a friend na may tuturing ko dito sa mundong ito. Thank you and see you soon. God bless. See you.
Hi, Ate April. Happy birthday.
Ate, happy birthday. I hope you'll enjoy your day. And ingat kayo palagi dyan. God bless you all. And kiss mo kami kay Mavi sa aking kamukha. Miss na namin kayo. Bye-bye. See you soon. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Phil. My initial reaction was, nung sabi ni Tin, kailangan kong bigay ng message was, what? 40 na si April? Para in my head, you're still that baby girl sa Kadlan. So, sabi nga nila, life begins at 40. Also, wrinkles begin at 40 and unwanted bilbil and memory gap. But happy birthday, Phil. Wishing you all the best. Cheers to new beginnings and more blessings. Take care always and God bless you, Ernest and Mavi. Ingat lagi and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Ate April. We wish you good health
God bless always.
and see you soon.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi, Be. Good day to you and to all present in this special day of yours. It's your big day. It's your birthday. Sabi nila, life begins at 40. But for me, as far as I know, your beautiful life began the moment you are conceived. Life has ups and downs, but it is beautiful. For you are beautiful, not only outside, but also inside. You have a beautiful heart. Your life becomes more beautiful when you met your special someone, si Ernest. And it becomes more meaningful when you had Maverick the pony. So my wish for you on your birthday is that may you have more and more beautiful things in this lifetime together with your family. Always remember, life has struggles and hardship. But along with it, there are many things that you should be thankful. And there is one mightier and greater God who loves you. Bigger than anything, bigger than whoever in this world. So always remember, once again, happy birthday. Stay as beautiful as you are, for life is beautiful, and so you are. Bye.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Tita
birthday,
April!
April.
Happy birthday, Tita.
I hope natupad na yung ano mo, mitiin mo, naging ano ka na, ayun daw yung Maverick. Okay na kayo, green card na kayo. Sana magtuloy-tuloy yung ano nyo dyan, success. Maging successful kayo. Yeah, but I hope you're being na, ang gusto ko magkasama-sama tayo habang buhay pa ako, anak. I love you both. Maverick, I love you. Ernest, and you. Happy birthday again. Bye. Happy birthday.
Oh, ma'am. I mean, oh, anyone
birthday,
wants
April.
to? Okay, I'm gonna greet. Hello, April. Happy birthday. How are you? My name is Rick. I'm new to the island. As long as you're happy, I'm happy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Tita.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, my darling, and many, many more. Another year has passed. I love you even more. Your eyes I love to see, your hands I love to touch, your lips I love to kiss. I love you so very much. Tomorrow starts a new year, and memories couldn't wait. I want to say I love you, April. Happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita! We miss you!
We miss you a lot.
And
40 ka na ngayon. Sabi nga, life begins at 40. So,
1 year old pa lang siya.
enjoy your life. Make your life meaningful with Maverick, with Ernest, and all your friends and loved ones. We love you very much. O, Daddy, ikaw na.
Pasensya na kayo, may kita yung aking bra, wala akong bra. Happy birthday! Ingat kayo dyan palagi, kami dito, mainit. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita! Happy 40th birthday! And see you soon! Bye!
We
Happy
love you,
birthday!
Mom!
We love
We
you!
love you!
Babe!
Bye-bye!
Okay, happy birthday. Crazy. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday, April.
Look at the camera.
Where's April?
In the camera.
Oh, hi, April. Is she there? Just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. And I hope Papa God blesses you with enormously more blessed birthdays. And I just wanted to say that we love you.
Happy birthday, Ate! Sorry we can't be there to celebrate with you, but know that we are with you in spirit. We are celebrating with you on this great milestone. May the 40s be with you.
May the 40s be with you. There you go.
And we always pray for good health, long life. It sounds cliche, but that's all that we ask for you, and blessings, and congratulations on getting your green card.
Oh, yes. Congratulations,
So,
April. We're happy for you.
Lots of blessings have come our way.
Yes, and lots of blessings have come your way as well.
Yeah. And so it was really a pouring of blessings that we were not expecting. And it took you... What are you doing? It took you a long bit to wait, but it was hard to wait, I know. But you trusted God, you trusted the process, and here we are.
Good things come to those who wait, April. Patience is a virtue.
Yes. And
With that, we're gonna say bye and hopefully to see you very soon. And somebody wants to say happy birthday to you. There's Piggy. Happy birthday, Ate April.
Let's celebrate.
Woohoo, woohoo. Heart, heart. Bye bye. We love you po.
Watch it!